There's a difference between being a boss and being a leader. A lot of times, a boss would just give directions and orders and would say, hey, go do this. Hey, you go do this. Hey, y'all two go do that. While they sit back and might not do too much of anything. Then you have a leader who sits in a position like a boss. But he'll get out there and say, hey, you and you, come with me and let's get this done. Hey, let me show you how to get this done. He don't mind getting his hands dirty. And I think the great thing about me coming to my mom's house is I had to build what I needed to get started. Just car garage. I built it. It's insulated. I'm outside now. It's getting cooler and it feels good in here. A lot colder outside. But I built this to be able to kill 7 birds in one stone. Put my white vehicle in here, obviously. Be able to do welding classes, work on things, teach, stay organized, be able to come up with different products. But I know I had to lead by example. So a lot of times we'll have the things we need around us, the tools, but we'll wait on the people, wait on someone else to do it. I think it's best to just be a leader, lead by example. I'm not knocking being a boss. I'm not saying I'm not a boss, but I'm saying I'm a leader and I'm a lead by example. Hold on.